Alright, now many of us have been waiting for application lock feature, which is not yet available on the Galaxy phones, and even on some of the Android phones we do not have the app lock feature, including the Pixel phones. Recently, we got to know that Google is adding the app lock feature on the Android 17, but it has not happened so far on the Pixel phones as well. Some of you guys are saying that it is available, but actually the app lock feature is not yet available on the Pixel phones as well. And Samsung obviously does not have this feature yet, but we need this feature very badly. A lot of you guys have been asking for this feature, and there is some hope now. Recently, Android Authority reported that there is a new canary build of Android on the Pixel phones where they have discovered the application lock feature. They say that the new Android release lets you lock multiple apps at once for maximum convenience. Now, this is a hint that Google is adding the application lock feature on the Google Pixel phones, and that might trickle down to the other devices as well, including Samsung Galaxy phones in the future. Now, let me just quickly show you the screenshot which Android Authority shared. This is the first screenshot where it says application lock under privacy. Quickly lock applications to prevent unauthorized access. The moment you tap on that, you will see this page. For your security, only you can access a locked application with your biometrics or screen lock. Obviously, you'll have to set up the screen lock first. And here it says about app lock. Notification content will be hidden, widgets and shortcuts will be removed. AI agents and services you have allowed to access locked application will still be able to access its data. And when you tap on how to hide sensitive applications, this is what it says. Use private space to hide applications even when sharing a device. Create a hidden space on your device with a separate lock for sensitive applications only you can view and access. So it is asking you to use the private space if you've got some very sensitive information. On Samsung Galaxy phones, we have got secure folder where you can duplicate the applications and save multiple files, videos, documents, etc. That's the most secure space on your Galaxy phone. App lock may prevent others from snooping into your application, but secure folder will protect your data with a very strong security. It is going to encrypt your data as well. So even the hackers may not be able to get into your secure folder because it is completely protected by Samsung Knox, which is a hardware level security. But the application lock obviously serves a different purpose. Anybody having an access to your phone, or if your phone is unlocked, if somebody wants to snoop into your gallery or something for a quick access, they will not be able to do that if you have locked your application. So that is the main purpose. Now let's take a look at the next screenshot here. Here it says app lock. You can see these are the two applications which are locked and the rest of them are unlocked. So if you want to choose any applications, you can just turn it on to lock a specific application. And let me show you the next screenshot here. You have a drop down here where you can choose options like, in fact, this is sorting options like locked at top, recent and all. So that's the sorting option we have. And here it says your photos may still show in other applications. So that's a bummer. Now, I don't know why this is happening. It says your photos may still show in other applications. Applications with access to your photos are messages, photos, settings, YouTube music, camera. Now, does this mean if you locked your gallery, your photos will be available on messaging applications to attach, email applications to attach? So that is a bummer. I hope this doesn't happen on the Galaxy phones when the application lock arrives. When an application like gallery is locked, the content from the gallery should not be available on the other applications as well. Let's hope Samsung will make that possible. There is one more screenshot here. This shows a locked application running in the background. If you go to recent applications, your locked application will show it as locked and it will not show any contents on the page, on the recent page, which is pretty cool. And this happens even on the secure folder applications. So yes, this is the application lock currently found on the Canary build on the Pixel phones. And it might take a few weeks or a few months for the Google Pixel phones to get it. And then probably on One UI 9.5, we can expect the application lock on the Samsung Galaxy phones. It is definitely an exciting news, but we will have to patiently wait for it. For some reason, Samsung has been reluctant to add this feature on the Galaxy phones, despite many fans asking for that feature. Let's really hope that Samsung adds this feature very soon. That's something which I want to share with you guys. If you need app lock, drop a comment and let me know, and do share your thoughts about this. And if you want to stay updated with your Galaxy phone, Android phones, Android applications, etc., be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video informative. And this cool red wallpaper with reality called I Hung Up Text is available on the Walrus wallpaper application. We recently added a big collection of quotes which has got more than 120 wallpapers, 129 9 plus wallpapers. So do go ahead and check out this collection. It is of course a premium collection. You can subscribe to premium in case if you want an ad-free experience. If you're okay to bear with the ads, you will still be able to download these wallpapers. The link for the application is in the description. Do go ahead and check that out. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.